Welcome. In this video we are solving question from GATE 2014 electronics branch. It says that a DC voltage of 10 volt is applied across an N-type silicon bar having a rectangular cross section and length of 1 centimeter as shown in figure. So this is a silicon bar. It is of N type, means electrons are majority carriers. So 10 volt voltage is source is applied across this. This is a DC voltage source, and the length of this silicon bar is 1 centimeter. Now it says that the donor doping concentration Nd and mobility of electrons mu n are 10 to power 16 per centimeter cube and 1000 centimeter square per volt second respectively. So we have to find the average time in microsecond taken by electrons to move from one end of the bar to the other end. So obviously when we apply an electric field, then the electrons will be repelled by this negative voltage, because like charges repel each other. So this is a negative voltage, so it will repel negatively charged electrons, and electrons will move from here to here and finally get attracted by this positive terminal. And finally, so electrons will move from this end to this end. So we have to find the average time taken by electrons to move from one end of the bar to the other end. So obviously the distance traveled the distance traveled it is given by a simple formula. The distance traveled is given by velocity into time. So we have to find time. So we have to find tau n, that is the average transit time. So it will be equal to distance upon velocity. So distance is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter upon velocity. So electrons are drifting from this end to this end due to electric field. So they will travel with velocity called as drift velocity Vd. And the formula for drift velocity is mu n into applied electric field. So mu n into E, where mu n is the mobility of electrons and E is the applied electric field. Now electric field is, again, the formula for electric field is voltage upon distance, voltage upon length. So length is again 1 centimeter. So voltage upon L. So again this will be V, and when the L will go into the numerator, so it will become centimeter square. So this will be 1 centimeter square upon mu n into V. So mu n is given as 1000 centimeter square per volt second. So it is given as 1000 centimeter square per volt second. So voltage and second will go in numerator. Then this voltage is 10 volt, so into 10. So this is equal to 10 volts, so into 10. So centimeter square and centimeter square will cancel. This is volt, so volt and volt will get cancelled. So we have a second remaining. So this will be equal to 10 to power minus 4 second, or we can say 100 microsecond, because we have to find the answer in microsecond. So the answer is 100 microsecond. So I have solved with units, so that the units become clear to you, because length was in centimeter, mobility was in centimeter square per volt second. So obviously we get centimeter square and centimeter square will get cancelled. So we will get answer in second. We have to convert that to microsecond. So this was a numerical answer type question. So here, and it was asked average time in microsecond. So we have to write 100 here, because the answer is 100 microsecond. So the answer is 100 microsecond. So I have solved with units to you. So you must take care of the units, because here you are getting answer in second, and we have to find average time in microseconds. So 10 to power minus 4 second, it will be equal to 100 microsecond. So thank you, and if you have any doubt, you can post your comment in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck, and please like, share and subscribe the channel.